Losing the shop again. If you see anything you like, I've created a official Meta something verified Facebook page, 5150 MXVW. I am going to have to move all of this again. Last time it was about 50 cars and miscellaneous tools and parts. This time, I don't know how many cars are in here, but let's take a look. It's not as much. Still have to find a place for it to go, so it's all for sale. Double cab, sold. So yeah, some of the good stuff's gone already, but we need to find some homes, so let's take the tour. So let's start at the front. 1970, I paid $1,000. I will take offers on this car. Check the videos on this thing. You remember we did a first drive, I think it went 7 miles an hour. Comes at a 1200. Paid $1,000. Make some offers. 65 Carmen Ghia, not available. 63 Ruby Red. This has a, 1200. This car is super solid. The only repair he did on this car, I thought he did the, oh, there it is, yeah. He did do the battery tray. Did such a good job, I barely see it. So it got the battery tray done, that's it. Barn Dubs and I got this thing on the road. Well, not safely, not really legally, it was registered. I paid $7 grand for this with no engine, no brakes, been sitting since I think 93, 94. Make me an offer on it. 63 Ruby Red Ragtop. 62 double cab. This nugget is sold. I never really got a vision for the double cab. I just think they're ugly. They're very bulbous, as my friend called them, in the front. They remind me of a very, very large tadpole. And I like tadpoles, just apparently not double cabs. 71 Ghia. Make an offer on this. I think it's the original engine. It does, well, it will run and drive. Has a nice tight dual port, correct engine, I believe. Let me look. AK, not sure. Don't know my 70s cars. This is a 2110, 48s. Pretty raspy with that exhaust. Small gas tank. Josh and I actually ran out of gas. I say Josh and I ran out of gas. Has line lock, you know, if you want to smoke up those sweet center lines and rubber. But yeah, small tank, fun to drive if you like a 150 horsepower bathtub. This ride is for you. It's a Sand Flea, a 63 Sand Flea. Yeah, I was changing the battery. Oh, well, of course, Napa Legend junk, worst battery ever made. Looks like we've got a 914 gauge, removable steering wheel to get in and out. Nice side supports here for some extra protection. Gotta love the line lock. Haven't used it. Love the center lines though. The single cab, what did I pay for that? That's a 59. I went down to, I think, Maryland with Jen and Josh. We picked this up, I feel like 8 or 9 grand. I don't remember. This one's pretty solid. I forget what color that beige is. It's not a dove blue. I have a 36. It came with a 1300, which I sold to a friend who then sold it for double of what I sold it to him for because, well, everything I've sold him, he's profited off of. Needs the battery tray area. The rest of the truck is pretty, well, I shouldn't say that. It's got a boo-boo down there. We'll take a look. What else we got? 40 horse long block, 36 long block. That looks like another 36 down there. Gates to the double cab, gates to the single cab. Original gates are over there that came with the single cab. I don't know what size this one is. That came from another pick. There's another short block down there. Yeah, we got a little bit of an owie over here. All the metal and such, we can work something out. Make an offer on the single cab. There's videos really on all these cars. This car, 58 Ragtop, Agave green. Absolutely love this car. Pretty crazy story with this car. Got into a little bit of a bidding war with someone on an auction. There was cars in a barn. This was one of them. We finally stopped bidding against each other because I didn't want the bus. I just wanted this car. So I paid $6,000 for this car. I did not get any. 1987. I paid $6,000 for this car. I did not get, what was I saying? Yeah, the interior I didn't get. It does have the door cards. No key. Original engine in this car though. Love, love, love the Agave green on this car. 4-tabber. There's a crazy story on this hood. I actually found the original hood for this car. Now I just got to figure out where it is. That's a 4-tab Agave. This is the original hood. That's what it was. They switched the... That's what it was. They switched... I have another hood. The original hood that came on this was, I think, a 3-tab in primer, and it had the blue correct hood crest. The Larry and Jay car, this is a car I cannot sell. Larry, most of you guys will remember Larry. First time I think Larry came to my shop, he was rubbing on this thing. He's like, I can give you a hand with this. We can put some metal in this in a weekend. I was like, you are crazy. I still got some work to do. It is registered. I call this the L&J car. This one I will never sell. This one is sold. This was the another 58 Euro Ragtop. That was the one we grinded off the Bondo to find the semaphores were filled in. See, it's got the fluted headlights. That's that correct blue badge I was talking about. Love those fluted headlights. I think I did sell this to Dubworks. I think he's working on a deal with one of our local VW guys on this one. So this one is not, yeah, here it is. Yeah, we got the filler and you can see the weld in there. So this one is not available. This is not my car. This is a 31,000 mile 2001, 2002. It's the last year of the V6, whatever year that is. I don't even remember. It's got 31,000 miles on it. They did put some of this protection stuff. I was going to remove that. The only imperfection in this car is a little ding there. What a fun car to drive though. So 12.5 on this. Not an automatic, no, of course not. You got heated seats on this, AC works. I think it's the only car I own with air conditioning that actually works. Power top, it is the 3.0. It is a super, super fun car to drive. This 56 Polar Silver. Really nice dash on this car. Needs cross members. Luggage tray is actually solid. Cross member action. Heater channels. A little bit of front firewall action. You know, the normal stuff. Quarter. This car I sold to Dubworks. And now that we're moving, he had it for sale. He was thinning out anyway, but so as I just told him that I'm losing the shop, I did what anyone would do. I love this car, so I bought it back. That's right, I bought it back. So if you want it, it's $4,000. You can pay Dubworks because I went with We shook on one of my typical deals with Dubworks. No money down, no monthly payments. One of those things, so you can pay Dubworks. This behemoth is not mine. The V65, last registered in 1987. These were awesome bikes. I had one of these in college. 60 original miles. Check out this cool keychain. Moto X338. That is this weekend. I will see you guys at Southwick on Saturday. This thing hasn't run. It's the cool blue. I paid $1,500 for that bike. So make an offer. Oh boy. Where do we start on the 65 GTO? I paid 5,000 smackaroos for that thing. Yeah, I did. 5,000. 5,000. Yeah. Yeah. So make an offer on that. If you don't know the story, go back and watch the videos. I believe the tags were stolen. You go watch the videos. That's the hardtop original gel coat. I think that's what they call it for the Dunebuggy. 440 Charger, 1970. This was a 318 column shift car. It was redone in, I think, 97. They dropped in a 1968 440 into it. So runs and drives, need some TLC. Interior is pretty clean. Make an offer on that. I was thinking asking 25 to start. 66, I think. 65 or 66. I don't remember. I've had this for quite a few years, like 5 years maybe. This is a Monza 110 convertible. Beautiful dark blue. Jen loves it. Every time I try to sell it, she gets a little pissy. Carpets need to be redone, you know, a little. It is a 4-speed car. Love the light blue interior. This was a lighter blue originally. It was not this darker blue. Those rims have to go. I've driven this car quite a bit. There you can see it's just the 110, but the thing moves out on its own just fine. Sweet little car. This behemoth, 88 or 89, I don't remember. I was 17 when the foreman bought this brand new at the body shop I worked at. This is a K3500, 53,000 original miles. The frame is impeccable on this thing. The only issue is it's got a stuck lifter and it broke a push rod. Just a minor issue. Taking offers on this. Yeah, 53,000 original miles on this. Current registration in my name. 8-foot bed. Yeah, it's a big boy. Is that really all the cars I have in here? I have more cars, so I don't have time to take you over there because I have to load up the double cab. But man, that was kind of a quick tour. So check out the 5150 MX VW Facebook page. Again, look for the little, whatever that is, that Meta verified thing that I pay like $15 a month for to be protected and have zero protection. That's the page. I think I have like 142 followers, not like 10,000 like all the other people pumping out my content have. So, no, I'm not salty, not at all. So thank you guys for always checking out the vids, smashing the like button and leaving comments. I really appreciate it. You guys make it a great couple days. I'll try to have a video for you guys Saturday morning. So get in there Saturday morning so we can kick the algo in the and get some videos back to, you know, some numbers. Yeah, get them up there. Smash the like button, please. Hit the frickin' bell. Be there. I try to get to every comment. It's legit a part-time job almost, trying to keep up with the comments, but I do my best. So if you're there early, I'll be there for the first 2 hours, and I will be in there in that comment section. So Saturday morning, I'm thinking 10 a.m. I hope to have it ready. I'll see you from 10 to noon. Let's kick it. Let's get some views. It'll be a little trade. Traded a car, traded a truck for a car, and some cash and some parts. So, special guest. Someone hasn't been on the channel in some time. You might want to check it out. All right, guys, I'm going on take 37. You guys make it a great few days, and I will see you Saturday. Okay, Saturday, I think 10 a.m. Be there. All right, hit the like button. Let's go. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you Saturday. Take care, guys.